back to my channel. Today I will be taking you to the Carnival Glories Steakhouse. We are about to enjoy a three-course meal for $49.95 per person and also a bottle of wine. This was a tomato dish with a little ground meat in the middle. It was really good. It was compliments of the chef. Already.
Nice small oyster with a nice butter.
Oh, so pretty. Thank you. Now these were some kind of smoked oysters and they had a wine sauce in there and they were really good to me. We really enjoyed the cocktail shrimp and also the cowboy steak with loaded potatoes. This was so good. We filled up so fast that we had to take our dessert with us. But we did enjoy our time at the steakhouse and it was really delicious. I highly recommend the Carnival Glories Steakhouse.